to our gate. And now we're just waiting to head to Singapore, so yeah, I'm excited. I've never been there, and Rachel's never been there, so it's a new country for both of us, which is pretty exciting. Yeah, it was pretty easy getting into the airport today. Riding, traffic wasn't bad or anything like that, so I'm pretty happy about that. We're just waiting, probably got another 10 minutes or so until we board the plane. The plane's not even here yet, but we're supposed to board here any minute, so I'll let you guys know what happens. There's our plane. I'll let you guys know what happens when we get to it. Alright, we just got through security, we just got through customs, and now we just had a really good chicken wrap thing, and now we're gonna hop on the MRT and take to the hospital. So we're in Singapore, and I'm excited. Alright, let's get on that MRT. So before we got on, I looked at the map. I'm like, oh yeah, we just stay on this the whole way. And then the first chance to get off, I'm like, oh yeah, this is where I need to get off, because I don't know. The voice was very confusing. It said downtown line, so I'm like, oh yeah, that's what we want. We didn't want that. We want to get back on the same one we were on, so we gotta wait for the next one. So yeah, just gonna wait. We're just waiting for the bus now. Yes, to arrival. Pretty sure we got it figured out. But yeah, next time I talk to you guys, we'll be there. Alright. See you at the hospital. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Singapore. I probably have already said that to you in this video, but this is really my first time coming out and vlogging while we've been here. And yeah, yesterday was kind of just running around doing what we needed to do, get some stuff done, and seeing what there is to see. A little bit more or less of just hanging out, but today we're gonna try to find something to do. We're gonna go get some food right now, and then we have to run to an Apple store because I dropped my phone off there yesterday because my phone was one of the phones that had the bad battery. So reduced price on batteries, which means I get my phone brand spanking new basically, which I'm excited for because it's been a while but my phone's been acting up. So let's go get some food. Which is kind of connected to the MRT. We found a place that we liked, but at the same time there's so much good food. Just smelling everything and just seeing everything, it makes you want to try everything. But we gotta pick one. So we're gonna walk around and try to find one, or maybe just decide on the one we thought about going on first. But everything looks to be really busy because it is lunchtime. So we decided to go to a place called Simply Wrap. I think that's what it's called, but at the same time I'm not sure. Simple Wraps. Simply Wraps. I said it wrong 3 different times. But it looks really good. I'm really hungry, so I'm excited to try some food here. And the wraps look decently big, so I'm good. I'm really pumped. How you feeling? She's hungry. So first time trying this place, and it looks really good. It's a big wrap. It's definitely gonna fill me up, but it looks amazing, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna sit you guys down and eat this thing. So see you in a minute. I'll let you know how it is. But that was really good. I just finished mine. Rachel's still finishing hers. Hers is really good too. She built her own. I picked one of the pre-made ones by the chefs. Pre-ones. I don't know what they're called. Chef-inspired ones, I guess. I don't know. But it was really good. Mine was amazing Thai with a spicy Thai sauce that wasn't that spicy, but it was still really good. And Rachel put a bunch of stuff in hers. I don't even know what she put all in hers. It's really good though. And yeah, my tattoo's healing. So that's a tattoo update. It itches. And I don't know what we're doing after this. I think we might walk. Rachel does not look too enthused to walk. I don't think there's a tram where I want to go though.
Where do you want to go?
To the water. So we're gonna go that way maybe. We still have like 2 hours until I gotta go to the Apple store. So yeah. But I'll let you guys know where we're going. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Alright, well we made it here, and if you look behind me, that building is crazy. I can't even remember the name of it at the moment, but it is a crazy looking building, and also the dome's right there. I think that's right where it is, if I'm looking correctly. But yeah, we're here right now, but we're here during the daytime, and we're probably going to come back here later tonight, but it is 2 o'clock, so that means we have an hour to get to the Apple store to get my phone. So we're going to head back that way, and we need to grab some more water because we're both thirsty, and probably grab a coffee. I think coffee sounds good. What about you think? What do you think? Rachel's nodding her head yes. So coffee and water, that's what we need right now, and we're gonna head to the Apple store. So see you guys over more that way. All right.
Okay, so it's 6-4.
Stopping got juice instead of coffee for right now. It's pretty good. Smoothie, not juice. Sorry, smoothie.
How is yours?
It's good. I like yours too.
How's mine?
Yeah, I like it. Pretty good. Yours tastes more banana-y. Mine has more like a sour taste. Alright. I don't know if we're going to the right one. It looks like red line's there. Nope. We're going to the right one. Back on the MRT, and now we're heading back towards the Apple store because it is 2:30. We need to be there by, or earliest 3. But yeah, it'll be alright. We'll get there. It'll be fine. Oh, that's the right one, I think. Nope, we're going the wrong way. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we got my phone, and we decided we're gonna head back to the hostel for a little bit, relax, maybe get some work done, hang out, and then we are gonna come back out, get some food, and then hopefully go check out that light show. Apparently that light show is really good. We were down that way earlier, so we kind of know how to get there. So yeah, to the MRT. We're back out. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food because I'm hungry. I'm pretty sure Rachel's hungry.
I took a nap though, so I'm gonna go to food.
Yeah, she took a nap. We just kind of hung out at the hostel for a little bit. Rachel took a nap. And now we're gonna get some food and then go check out the garden. Sorry it's really loud because all the buses. But yeah, we go hop on the MRT and just a straight shot down, and then we'll be there. I think we're getting burritos. So we're leaving the MRT now. We're almost to get food. And one thing I've noticed about the escalators, there's a lot of escalators in Singapore, and they're really fast. Like they're super fast, and they catch you by surprise at the end there. Even though I never thought I would be one of those people who'd be like, oh, there's the end. I always thought I'd be aware of it. But when you have like a bunch of people on one escalator, it makes it really hard to tell exactly when the end comes because it's a long lead up. Like. It's a long lead up. So, trying to figure out how to get out of this labyrinth and then off to get food. See you guys there. Okay, so we made it, and this place is really cool. It's kind of like Chipotle, but it's a little different. And the atmosphere is really cool. Like it looks really nice. It's out of focus, I'll show you guys here in a second. But yeah, it looks really good. I'm hungry, so it's gonna be sweet. So yeah. So what do you think?
I like it better than Chipotle.
Yeah.
It's like a hot salsa. The sauce is really hot. It's really good.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, food was really good. Those burritos were awesome. Way better than you get at Chipotle or Qdoba or something like that. They're really good. And now we're trying to find our way to Garden by the Bay, I think. We're back in the MRT, and we gotta see if our tickets are still good or we gotta get new ones. Not sure yet. I'll let you guys know. But now we're gonna go to the park thingy that's over here. Looks really cool. I'm excited to go to this park thingy. Guys, I'm gonna end it here. This has been a great day. Yeah, it's a really good food. We came out here, saw this place, and it was amazing. Definitely, if you get a chance to come out here and see it. Apparently there's a really sweet light show. I think it's only on the weekends though. I think it starts Thursday, so we might come see it tomorrow, and you guys might get a clip of that. If I do, I'll insert it here. But tomorrow I'm not gonna film. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so we're hang out, have food, no work, no film. Maybe a little bit if we can come see the light show, but I'm not bringing this camera out. And we're changing hostels, so yay! Because the hostel we're in right now is not the best. I haven't really talked about it, but it's really not the best. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye!